giving it back to me. All right. So, what do you got, Walter? 41 units. Give me the breakdown, my friend.
No worries. No worries. Yeah. Great project. Great project as they all are. We have 41 gorgeous units here. Now, this property is in one of the top tier residential Orlando neighborhoods. Very nicely located, right off that I-4 corridor that takes us east and west. It also is very close to the Camping World Stadium, our big athletic stadium in downtown Orlando. Half-hour drive, University of Central Florida, Disney, Orlando International Airports, all within 20 to 30 minutes. So you can't get a better location. Now, this property was built back in 1966, and normally that would take it out of our buy box.
Right.
If we're looking for something, vintage, 95 really or newer. Way the construction is pretty straightforward down here. This is concrete block and stucco. You'll see the word CBS, concrete block and stucco. We basically build these big bunkers down here. That's how this property was built. And in 2016, the current owner made a very significant investment. He came in, completely renovated the building. Now, when I say he renovated, he did a complete structural and mechanical renovation. So new roofing system, new doors, new windows, all new mechanicals. So plumbing, hot water tanks, electrical systems, everything was upgraded and replaced. So he basically took a 1996 structure and turned it into a 2016 structure. Now, the unit's interiors, they all received upgrades as well. New kitchen, bath countertops, new appliance packages, luxury vinyl flooring, and all new plumbing and lighting fixtures as well. So it's a great property, shows like a brand new property. Now, the property will be acquired for $3.35 million. The complex has no vacancies. Actually has a pretty substantial waiting list. And when I started to really dig into this, very quickly I saw why. The current rent rolls are substantially below market level. Now, the reason being that they've kept their rent so low is they felt that they couldn't compete with some of the nicer properties in the area. When I say nicer, this is a gorgeous place, but they didn't invest in some of the amenities that draw people in. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be investing an additional $240,000. We're going to focus on those amenities that are missing. So we're going to put in a beautiful new pool, a nice grilling area. We're going to improve the gate entrance and signage and give a boost to the landscaping. So we're going to invest $240,000. What's that going to get us? Well, taking our rents just to market level, that's going to increase our yield and push up our NOI by $42,000. So an increase in net operating income leads to an increase in value. So that $240,000 is going to net us in excess of $700,000 in increased value. Let's talk about targeted returns. Cash on cash. Year one, we're looking for 11.75, moving up gradually to year 5, 17.57 cash on cash return. We're targeting an IRR of 23.08 and an equity multiple of 2.1.
Beautiful. Question.
Yes.
We haven't had a chance to really break this one down a little bit. I got the initial one sheet on it that you sent over earlier this week. What's the time frame on the pool installation on a project like this down there, Walter?
What's great about it is we're in our dry season, so right. You could dig a hole and nothing bad happens. You don't want to be trying to put a pool in the middle of May or June down here. So to come in and do complete renovations, we'd be about 45 days.
Beautiful. Right, I love it. Can't even dig a pool up here in New England this time of year. You know that, right?
Yeah, kind of cold.
Frozen tundra. All right, love it. So 11.75 year one, targeting up to 17.5. So an investor's looking at some pretty nice returns over the life of the equity or the life of the capital. Sorry, going to work in the fund. As always, my friend, thank you. Great job. Look forward to bringing this one in.